Awakened by a phone call like a shatter of glass.
Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, and welcome to Digicode Productions. Well, you'd never guess where we are today. We're at the Bray Air display just south of Dublin, Ireland, European Union. It's Saturday the 22nd of July 2017, and we're here in very good company. I have Sandra Pascaletti standing beside me.
Hello everybody.
And I have about 300,000 friends who've come along as well. So it should be quite an interesting day. Currently, if the cameraman will turn around, you'll see the Irish Coast Guard helicopter. The Irish Coast Guard were recently involved in a horrific accident off the west coast of Ireland, and accordingly this one's quite popular at the moment. The first flyby they did, they got a standing ovation from the crowd here, and quite rightly so.
Broken souls are mended, rescued, brought home. Of what is courage made? Does it know it exists? Selfless and innocent, brothers and fortunes, on pulses like a heartbeat, on so quick, solid as a tip of a trap, love cold and close. Those who didn't come home, who gave all they owned, for the sake of another, who expected no medal, no proclamations, no fuss.
So there we go. We'll keep bringing this show to you. It's quite interesting stuff. Thank you very much.